Amoy Solar Technology is a high-tech enterprise specializing in solar design, producing and selling. Amoy Solar has been one of China's largest solar products export enterprises, serving markets including Japan, Australia, Southeast Asia, Europe, America, Africa, and other more than 100 countries and regions. Certified by SGS, CE is 9001. Amoy Solar is strong at various solar mounting solutions for residential, commercial, and utility solar projects, including roof mounting systems, carport mounting systems, agricultural solar system, and floating solar mounting. OEM and OEM services are both available. You are easy to get the perfect product as well as the home professional support. What you can benefit from Amoy Solar. 1. Source factory. Direct factory price. 2. OEM and ODM are available. Kinds of solutions. 3. Max pre-assemble and ship. Easy to install. Big saving on labor and time. 4. Free sample. Good to test the quality before bulk work. 5. Long time guarantee. 10 ride warranty plus 25 ride service life for durable and reliable use. Thank you for allowing Amoy Solar to be partner of your business.
So thank you for watching. Just give a general idea about Amoy Solar. So, every live stream will show you different subjects that is related to solar system. Today we're going to show you the almost must-have accessory during installation, the air-foot with screw and the air-foot with panel board.
First, let's go over the details. Product named air-foot with screw or with Hango board kit. Brand Amoy Solar. Assemble side solar mounting rail. The max wind speed 45 meters. Warranty 10 years. Duration more than 20 years.
So let's see some more features about the air-foot with screw and air-foot with panel board. The first one, it has EPDM rubber to be effective with waterproofing. And the second, it is workable for wooden beam and steel beam that is both available to install the air-foot and the air-foot with screw and air-foot with panel board. The third, the handlebar could be adjusted according to the height you want. And they have widely application in the solar mounting system, so it is almost a university that fits all the roof solar systems. And it also has very good performance with seamless. So in the next video, we'll show more about the air-foot with screw and air-foot with handlebars. She will show you the samples and the details. So Vivian, please.
This is tin roof system and air feet. They are made up of mid clamp, end clamp, and rail and air feet with Hango board. They often used for the mantle roof.
Yeah,
the air feet size is 40. The width is 40 and the height is 80. And the thickness is 5 millimeters.
is good. Yeah.
This air foot with self-tapping screw. And we have two kinds of arrow foot.
Yeah, one is with screw and another with handlebars. It goes for different types of roof types. Okay, so in the following video, we will come to the step of installation.
Yes, the color steel tile roof arrow foot solar mounting system. Side rail, medium pressure, side pressure, side rail connector, arrow foot self-tapping screw kits. They are made up of all this. And installation step. The first, install the arrow pin. Fix the arrow foot on the tile ridge of the color steel tile with wool screws. In order to prevent the roof from leaking, please be sure to install the arrow foot on the ridge of color steel tile. Do not install it in the low part of the color steel tile or in a place where the water accumulates. And at the same time, put a pad between the installation place and the air-foot waterproof rubber pad. And second, install the track. Hold the rail against the block on the hook. Slide it inwards. Adjust the distance and tighten the studs to secure the rail. If the rail length is not enough, several rails are connected together by rail connectors. And second, install components. Secure components to rails with lateral and medium pressure, like this. Install rigidly. And this is the air-foot installations.
So now we'll show you how to install the air-foot connected with the rail. Okay. That's the rail. That's one example of the rail with connector. Okay. So usually we will have to connect the two rails together in case the rail is too long. That's one type of the rail connector.
Air-foot with the D block. So first, the air-foot. Slide into the rail. This is.
And tighten the bolt to connect the rail and the air-foot. Yeah. So in this way, you connect the rail with the air foot and handlebars.
If the rail length is not enough, we often use rail connector to
connect.
to connect it.
The screw to fix the rail with the connector. Okay. Goes to another side. So different connector goes for different types of rail to join them together. Yes, that's the finished look of the rail with connector. Yeah. 我们这个是
and the mid clamp.
Yeah, goes through a rail.
Yes. And end clamp.
Hello.